Now in this video we will see the angle of depression. Depression means something below the ground or something tending downward. Like in elevation we have seen something which is being observed up to some height. In depression the line of sight or the observer's sight will be always downward. Consider one example. A person is standing at the top of a building. This is any building AB. Here a person is standing and this person is observing any object, let it be a car, is at point C. So the person is standing at the top of the building and now he is observing the object at ground. This is the ground. So when he is observing the car down at the ground, his line of sight is downward. So AC is the line of sight, which is this time for depression it is downward. Now to make the angle of depression we need a ground or the base, but since the person is standing at the top of the building there is no ground to make the angle. For this, here we will draw an imaginary line parallel to the ground such that the angle between the line of sight and the imaginary base, imaginary ground, this angle will be the angle of depression. This is the angle of depression. Always remember that the angle of depression is always formed between the imaginary ground, imaginary base, which is always parallel to the real ground, and the line of sight which is downward. So this is your angle of depression. Now, since we know one thing, that this line and this line is parallel and this AB is working as a transversal, so this angle A will be equal to this angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C as they are pair of alternate interior angles. That means ultimately your angle of depression will come down only, but to report in the figure for the question you have to be careful that the angle of depression should be always located to be always shown in the figure on the top of the object. So this way we can show the angle of depression. So let's see once again what is the angle of elevation and depression. In this right angle triangle ABC, if AB is the object standing perpendicularly on the ground, BC is the ground, and if the point of observation C, from that point the line of sight is tending upward, then angle C will be the angle of elevation. In this case it is elevation. And here in this triangle, if AB is the object standing perpendicularly on the ground, BC is the ground, this time point A is the point of observation from which something is being observed downward, so the line of sight is downward. Therefore the angle of depression which is to be drawn between the parallel line drawn to the ground, this is the angle of depression, and being alternate interior angle, this angle becomes your angle of depression. And this is the line of sight which is downward. So this is the case of depression. Okay.